Hello, my wonderful friend David. Welcome to our beautiful sanctuary of learning today. I can feel the incredible energy in the air. Are you ready to embark on a magnificent journey through the English language?
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this moment all day. My heart is racing with excitement. I am so ready to learn something that will change the way I speak forever.
That is the spirit. Today, we are exploring two words that hold so much power and grace. They are can and could. Can you feel the magic in those words already? Can and could. They sound so simple, yet I feel like there is a whole world hidden inside them. Tell me, Emily, where do we begin this beautiful discovery? We begin with can. It is the word of the present. It is your superpower. When you say, I can, you are telling the world about your strength and your abilities right now. Oh, like a superhero. So if I say, I can speak English, I am showing my power in this very moment? Exactly. You are declaring your truth. I can swim. I can dance. I can learn. It is bright, it is firm, and it is full of life. Can you think of something else you can do? Let me think. Oh, I can play the guitar. When I hold it, I feel like I am sharing my soul with the world. I can play a beautiful melody. That is just incredible, David. I can almost hear the music. Now, let us step into the mists of time. Let us talk about could. Could. It sounds softer, doesn't it? It sounds like a gentle echo from the past. Softly and warmly. What a poetic way to put it. Yes, could is often the past tense of can. It describes the treasures of our history. For example, when I was a child, I could climb the tallest trees. Oh, that reminds me. When I was 5 years old, I could run so fast that I felt like the wind. I could run all day and never get tired. I love that image. You were like a little lightning bolt. But wait, there is a second, even more beautiful side to could. It is the language of kindness and politeness. Surprised? So it is not just about the past. It is about how we treat people? Yes. Imagine you are at a lovely dinner. You want the salt. You could say, can you pass the salt? But if you say, could you pass the salt? Oh, it's like a warm hug for the listener. Wow. So could is like a key that opens the heart? It makes the question feel more respectful and gentle? With great warmth. Precisely, David. Using could for requests shows such a beautiful, sensitive soul. It says, I value you, and I am asking with grace. Can you imagine how much better the world would be if we all used such kind words? That is beautiful. So, can you help me is direct, but could you help me is like a soft invitation. It's more elegant. Encouragingly, you've got it. You are a natural. Now, let us try a little challenge. If you wanted to ask me to teach you more tomorrow, how would you say it? I want to be very polite because I respect you so much. So, I would say, Emily, could you please teach me again tomorrow? Oh, David, my heart is melting. That was perfect. Truly, truly perfect. You used could with such sincerity. I feel so much more confident now. I can use can for my strengths, and I could use could to be a gentleman. This is life-changing. It truly is. These words are not just grammar. They are the bridge between your heart and the people around you. Never forget that. I won't, Emily. I can promise you that. Thank you for sharing your light with me today. With a radiant smile, it is my absolute honor, David. You are a star, and you are shining so brightly. Keep practicing, and I will see you very soon. Waving happily. Goodbye, Emily. I can't wait for our next lesson. Tenderly. Goodbye, my dear friend. You did wonderfully today. Simply wonderfully.